Fine. Good afternoon to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, are you revising daily portion? Students, are you revising daily portion? Students, all of you take your computer textbooks in your hands. Students, all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. So please set in front of your system or either take mobile phones in your hand. Okay. So listen carefully. So welcome to our today's online class. So now we are studying about chapter 5. What's the chapter name? Working with Windows operating system. So this chapter is very important for you. So you are studying basic things of the computer in this chapter, isn't it? So before we are going to study about today's portion, just recall what are the things you have studied yesterday. Okay. So yesterday what are the things you have studied? So you have studied about elements of a window, isn't it? So window, how many types of windows are there totally? So how many types of windows I have taught? 2. What are they? Application window as well as document window. Then elements of a window. Very important thing. So what are the elements of a window? What are things you have studied? So in a window, what are the things will be there? Title bar, next to the title bar, menu bar, then tools bar, scroll bar, Windows control button, corners, borders, etc. So these are the things we have discussed yesterday, isn't it? So today we are going to study about how you are going to start the application as well as close the application. Okay. So what do you mean by application? So application is nothing but any one of the programs or file. Okay. So for example, in your mobile phone, so lot of applications are there. WhatsApp, Facebook, Share Chat, Hello App, this and all applications. Okay. So lot of applications you are likewise that lot of applications you are installed in your computer also. Okay. So example Word file, PPT, then VLC media player, PDF, Chrome, etc. So lot of applications you have installed in your computer. Okay. So how you need to open that application? Okay. So how you are going to open that application means, so first you need to click the start menu. Okay. So to open the application, first where you need to click? To click the start menu. So where the start menu will be there? Yesterday I said where the start menu will be there. So whether the start menu will be present at the top of the screen or bottom of the screen. Start menu always will be present at the bottom of the screen at the left corner, isn't it? So the corner position, the start menu will be there. So if you need to open particular application, first what you need to do means you need to click the start menu. Okay. So this is for Windows 7. Okay. So Windows 7, but Windows 8 is entirely different from this Windows 7. Okay. So in your book they have given based on Windows 7. Okay. So in Windows 7, if you are going to open an application means first you need to click where? Click the start menu. Okay. So if you click the start menu means, so what are the applications you have installed in your computer? All the applications will be displayed under the start menu. Okay, understand? So how you are going to open the application? First you need to click start menu. Okay. So if you click the start menu means what are the applications you have installed in your computer? All the applications will be displayed as a list in the start menu. Okay, understand? So now we are going to start the particular application. Okay, this is the common method. So first they have given step by step how you are going to open any one of the application. Okay, so what's the first step? First you need to click the start button. Then from the start button, So if the particular application is not there, most of the applications will be there in where? In the start menu. So some applications will not be available as a direct. So you need to go to the some other method. So for that, first you need to click start button. This is common for all applications. Okay. So first you need to click which one? Start button. From start button, so you need to select all programs. Understand? So where you need to select? First you need to click which button? Start button. Then from the start button you need to select which one? All programs. Okay. So in that all program, all the what are the applications you have installed in your computer, all the applications will be appear in the all programs list. Okay. So from that you need to open as per your wish. You are going to open, for example, so you are going to open a Word file means you need to select MS Word. So you are going to open PowerPoint means you need to select PPT. Okay. So if you are going to open PDF file means you need to select PDF. Okay. So according to your wish, you are going to open which application. So that application you need to open. Okay. This is the first method. So what's the first method for opening the application? So for first way you need to click where? Click the start menu. Then from the start menu you need to select which one? All programs. Okay. Don't forget this and all very basic things. So listen carefully. So I'll ask question this one. So first you need to click where? Start menu. From the start menu you need to select which one? Which one? All programs. Okay. From the all programs you need to select. So which application you need to open? That application you need to select. Okay. Then so which application you need to open? That application you need to select and click that application. For example, if you need to open Word file means first you need to click start button, then all programs, inside all programs, MS Word. Then you need to double click that application. The Word file will open. Understand? This is the first method. Second method means what the second method is. So instead of going to all programs, so directly you can able to get or access the application. Okay. So how you are going to open that application means, so above the start menu. So where the start menu will be there? Start menu will be present at the corner. So above the start menu, one search box is there. Okay. So above the start menu which is there? Search box. So otherwise you need to click run button. Okay. So near to the start menu. So which will be there? Run button. Okay. So run command also you can able to type the which application you are going to open. You can able to type the name of that application in the run menu. Okay. So what's the second method? So second method is to click the run menu. From the start menu you need to select what? Run. So I'll show in the picture, then only you will get understand. So second method, from the start menu you will select run. So in that run command, so if you click the run command means one dialog box will open. So in that dialog box you need to type the name of the application. For example, you need to open Word file means in the run command you need to type MS Word. So you need to open PDF file means in the run command you need to type PDF. Then enter. The particular application will open. That's the second method. Understand? So how many methods I said? Two methods. What are they? First method, you need to click the start button. From the start button you need to select all programs. So from all programs, name of the which application you need to open, that application you can open. Select that application and double click it, then particular application will open. Okay, that's the first method. Second method, so near above the start menu, so you need to select which one? Run command. Okay, so if you click the run command means one dialog box will open. So in that dialog box that you need to type the name of the application. For example, Word means Word you need to type, PDF means PDF, PowerPoint means PowerPoint. So that name of the application if you need to type in the run command and you need to press enter, then particular application will open. Understand? These are the two ways to open an application. Next one. Next you are going to close the particular application. Okay. So to close, yesterday I have shown. So how many window control buttons are there? So how many window control buttons are there? 3. What are they? Minimize, maximize and close button. So close button means the red color box into symbol is there, no? That is close button. So the right corner, that close button, if you click that into mark means the particular application window will get closed. Okay. So to quit an application, you need to close the application. Where you need to click that red color into mark. That is a close button. Then the particular application will close. Understand? So see this diagram, then only you will get understand. Okay. So here which one is the start menu? This is the start button. Isn't it? This is the start button. So if you need to open any one of the application means first where you need to click? First you need to click in the start button. So if you click the start buttons means this list will appear. So what's the meaning of this one? This and all name of the applications or name of the softwares you have installed in your computer. Okay. So for example, here they are given, they are going to open an Excel file. Okay. So this, if you click the start button, the applications will be there. Sometimes the Excel file is not there, or you are selecting some other application. That application is not there means you need to go where? I said first start button, then you need to select all programs. Okay. Is it visible for you? Have you seen this all programs? Yes. So first, if that particular application is not available here means you need to click which one? All programs. Okay. So if you click the all programs means the list of applications will be open here. This side the list of applications will be like this. Lot of applications will be open here. Okay. So from that you need to select any one of the application and open it. Understand? This is the first method. Second method, what I said? Second method is a run. So have you seen this one? What's the box? What's the name of the box? Yesterday I said above the search button, above the start button, one box will be there. What's the name of that box? Run. No, sorry, not run. Search box. Isn't it? What's the name of this box? Search box. So what's the symbol? The symbol is used to search. So if you type run here or if you select run here, have you seen it run command or in run? So likewise here run is there means if you click this run command, this dialog box will open. Okay, this is a second method for opening the file. So here also I am going to open this Excel file. So I need to type which one? So if you click the run command means this dialog box will open. So inside the dialog box near to the open. So here have you seen it? Open, one box will be there. In that box you need to type which application you need to open. Understand? So in that run box, run command box, so one box will be there. This drop down box will be there. Here you need to type which application you need to open. That name of the application you need to type. For example, here they are opening which file? Excel. So they are giving Excel. Okay. So after typing this one, click OK button. Okay. So if you click OK button means particular application will be open. Understand? Two methods I said no. First one is need to click start button, select all, if the application, then find the particular application is available here or not. If the application is not available means you need to click which one? All programs. From the all programs you need to select the application. Okay, then double click it and open. That's the first method. Second method, you need to select which one? Run command. So if you click the run command means, so this box will be open. Then where you need to type the name of the application. So for example, you need to open paint. For example, you need to open paint means in the place of open the drop down box, you need to type which one? Paint. Then click OK. Then particular application will open. So sorry for the disturbance. So okay. So what's the second method? So if you click the run command means in the place of the run command you need to type the name of the application, then click OK. Then if you click the OK button means what particular application will open. Understand? Two methods you have studied to what? Open an application. So next one, to close an application. To close an application, what I said? So this is the corner, right corner. Inside the red color box, one into symbol is there. So if you click this symbol means what? The particular application will get closed. Understand? Yes. Listen. So how you are going to close the application or quit the application means here also two methods are there. Okay. Otherwise two ways are there to close an application. Okay. So for example, here they are giving, in your book also they are given same example. They are opening one Word file. Okay. So they have opening which file? Word file. To close the application, now you have studied, you know, to open the application. Isn't it how we all open? Go to the start button and select the Word file. From all programs, select the Word file, you will open. Then after completing your work, you need to close that file. Okay. So how you need to close the file means there are two ways are there to close. Simplest way is, so here have you seen? Already said no. So this right corner, this in the red color box into symbol is there, no? If you click this symbol means the particular application will get closed. Okay, that button we are calling as an close button. Okay, this is the first method. So second method means, so in that menu bar, where is the menu? Where the menu bar will be there? Where the menu bar is available? The menu bar will be present below the title bar, isn't it? In the menu bar, so you need to click File menu. So to close an application, so where you need to click? In the menu bar you need to click, or you need to click which one? File menu. So in the file menu you need to choose exit. Have you seen it at the last option called exit? Have you seen it last option? Exit. So if you click this exit button means the particular application will get closed. Okay. So in Windows 7, for example, your computer, you are installing Windows 7 OS means instead of exit they have given close. So these are all important one word questions they will ask. Okay. Usually they will give exit only. So but in Windows 7, so instead of this exit they have given which option? Close. But the function will be same. So if you click the close button means from the file menu you are selecting close or exit. So if you click this means the particular application will get closed. Understand what are the two ways I said? So either you need to click this corner red color symbol or from file menu you need to choose exit. Understand? So next topic is managing files and folders. Okay. So what do you mean by files and what do you mean by folders? So already I'll explain what do you mean by files and folders in the last class and previous chapter, etc. Isn't it? For this only I said one example in your mobile phone. So in your mobile phone, so inside the gallery there are lot of folders are there. Isn't it? So what do you mean by for WhatsApp images, you have separate folder, WhatsApp images folder. Then screenshots, separate folder will be there, screenshots. Then photos, separate folder will be there, photos. Then camera, separate folder will be there, camera. Okay, that we are calling as a folder. Then what do you mean by file? For example, WhatsApp, one folder is there. So what are the images will be coming under WhatsApp? So that images will be stored where? Inside the WhatsApp folder. Now understand what's the difference between files and folder? Yes. So here you are going to manage the files and folders. How you are going to manage the files and folders? Okay. So so you, in this folders as well as file, you can able to do lot of functions. You can able to copy the particular file and you, what do you mean by copy? For example, copy means one file will be there or in your phone one photo will be there. So in your mobile phones also copy option is there and paste option is there. So what's the use of copy and paste? The same thing or same photo you can copy. If you give copy option means same photo you can copy and paste in some other place. That is copy. So these files and folders you can able to do lot of functions. What are they? You can able to copy the file, rename. What do you mean by rename? You can able to give many name or some other name. For example, first you are giving A. So rename means you are going to rename the, instead of A you are giving ABI, Abi. Okay. So that we are calling as an what? Rename. Then delete. You can able to delete the file. Search the files and folders. What do you mean by search? You can find out in your system particular file will be where the file is located in your system. That is called search. Okay. So what are the managing options are there? You can able to copy, then rename, delete, search. So these are the functions are available in managing files and folders. Okay. So before we are going to study this one, so first you are going to study creating files and folders. Okay, this is all very important to create files and folders. So during lab programs, I'll ask you to create new folder in a system. So listen carefully. Okay. So first you are going to create one new folder. Okay. So where you will store your files. So in your computer, where you will store your files. Where you will store your files? In memory. So what's a memory device you have studied in the last class? What's a memory device? Hard disk, isn't it? So where the hard disk will be represented in your computer? Where the hard disk, that icon will be there? In my computer. So are you remembering in my computer drive icons? C, local disk C, local disk D, local disk E, local disk F. That is called drive icons, isn't it? So you can able to store the files in many locations. What do you mean by many locations? So for example, your hard disk is divided into 3. Local disk C, D and E. So you can able to store, for example, you are going to copy, you are going to save any one of the image or photo in local disk C. The same photo you can able to copy in local disk D. Same photo you can able to copy in local disk E. So many locations you can able to store the files. Store your files in many locations of your computer. But that and all you need to store in where? Hard disk. Okay. So either you can store in hard disk or some other devices. What are the some other devices? What are the other devices you have studied? CD, pen drive, memory cards. Isn't it? So either you can store files in the drives, or drives means hard drives, hard disk, local disk C, D, E, or pen drives or extra memory things. Okay. So easily you can identify the files means, so for example 200 or 300 photos will be there. Okay. So for example you are going to one function, or you are going excursion from school. Okay. So there are a lot of nearly 500 photos are there. So you need only your photos from the 500 photos. So what you will do? So all that 500 photos are stored in one folder called tour. Okay. So the folder name I am telling as a tour. Inside the tour folder, so nearly all the total 500 photos are there. But you need only your photos from the 500. What you will do? You will select only your photos from the among the 500 photos, and you will keep the particular photos in the separate folder. Isn't it? Then only you can able to identify your photos easily from the computer. Isn't it? That we are calling as an organize your files. Okay. So to better organize, you need to store the files in folders. Understand? So listen, now we are going to study how you are going to create a folder in your computer. Okay. So what you are going to study? How you are going to create a new folder in your computer. Okay. So there are two methods are there to create a new folder. Okay. So how many methods are there to create a new folder? Two methods. So first we are going to study about method 1. Okay. So first what you need to do mean, first you need to open the computer icon. So computer icon means where you need to click my computer. Okay, so I'll explain. First you need to click the my computer. Okay, so this Windows 7 what they have given and all, Windows 7 the same, but Windows 8 somewhat different. So I am using Windows 8, so somewhat different, so I can't able to explain here. Okay, so please listen this picture, then only you can able to understand. So first way you need to open where computer icon, that means double click my computer, first step. Then you need to select any one of the drives, either D drive or C drive or E drive or F drive. Okay, so here for example, listen, first they have click which icon you need to click. Computer, is it visible for you? Is it visible for you? Computer. First they have click open which one? Computer. Inside computer they are selecting which drive? D drive. Okay, so inside the D drive, so have you seen what is this one? File, edit, view, tools, help. This is we are calling as in which bar? Menu bar, isn't it? So from the menu bar you need to click file menu. These are all very basic things. So again I am telling, please listen carefully. First you need to click which one? Computer icon. Then from the computer icon you need to select any one of the drives, D drive, E drive or F drive. According to your wish you need to select any one of the drive. Then so you need to click file menu from the menu bar. Okay, what's the third step? You need to click, have you seen the file menu? Have you seen file menu? So you need to click here file menu in the menu bar. Okay, from the, if you click the file menu means their option will be there, new. Okay, so from the file menu which one you need to select? New. So first select new, then from new you need to select folder. Understand? So first you need to click where? First you need to click the file menu, then from the file menu you need to click one new option. Okay, so here file menu will be there. From the file menu you need to select which one? New. From the new you need to click which one? Folder. Then if you click the folder means likewise this is called new folder initially. So if a new folder will be shown the name as a new folder only. Okay, because you are not giving any name at the first you are creating only a new folder, so that folder will be displayed in the name as a new folder. That's the default name. Understand? This is the first method for creating a new folder. So understand what's the first method? First you need to click where? First you need to click the computer icon. Then you need to select any one of the drive. Then from the drive, then from menu bar you need to click which menu? File menu. From the file menu you need to choose which one? New. From the new you will choose folder. So if you click the folder means like this the folder will be appear. So this is the one of the folder. So default the folder will be displayed in the name as a new folder. Understand? So listen carefully what I said. See that recall the step, then only you will never get forget. First you need to click which one? First you need to select the computer icon, then drive, D drive. So again you need to click which one? File menu. Okay, from the file menu, is it visible for you? So if you click the file menu, this drop down box will appear. Okay, so then this pop-up menu you need to select new. Okay, which option you need to select? New. Okay, so then click the folder. If you click this new, this one arrow mark is there, no? So in this arrow mark lot of menus or lot of applications will be there, but you need to choose which one? Folder. Why? We are going to create new folder. Understand what are the steps you have studied? First you need to select my computer, then select any one of the drive, then click the file menu, then choose new, then from the new you will select folder. Okay, if you click the folder means, so likewise this folder will be displayed. Understand? Yes. So this is the folder. Okay, so if you click the folder means what you do, this folder will be appear. So you can able to then what's the next step means you can able to rename the folder. What do you mean by rename? So by default if you are giving folder means the folder will be displayed in the name as a what? New folder. But if you are creating 10 folders, all the 10 folders will be given under the name new folder, new folder, new folder only. So you will get confused, isn't it? But you need to differentiate. For example, first folder you are going to save your mark list. Second folder you are going to save your photos. Third folder you are going to store your something, text or anything. Okay. So to differentiate, you need to give separate names for each and every folder. Okay. So that one we are calling as an what? Rename. That you will study at the next. Understand? So next is the second method. First method I have studied. So what's the second method means? So you are going to create folder in the desktop. Okay. So the first method where you are going to create the folder, first method. So you are going to create a folder inside the drive. Any one of the drive, disk or disk drive, D, E or F. Next, second method. So you are going to create a folder in desktop. What do you mean by desktop? So if you switch on the computer, the opening screen we are calling as an what? Desktop. So you are going to create one new folder where in the desktop. Okay. So for that, what's the first step means? In the desktop, you need to right click the button. Okay. So which button you need to click? In the desktop, right click. From the right click, which option you need to choose? New and folder. Likewise, the same previous method. So in the desktop, if you need to create a new folder means where you need to click, right click in the desktop, then select which option? New option. From the new option, you need to select which one? Folder. Okay. So if you click the folder, like the previous one, new folder will be appeared with the default name, new folder. Okay. So what name you need to give according to your wish, you can give any name in the folder name and press enter key. Okay. So if you press the enter key means the particular name will be changed. According what name you are giving, that name will be displayed as a folder name. Understand? What's the second method? Second method is to create a folder in the desktop. So what's the step? In the desktop, you need to right click, then select new option. From the new option, the folder you need to click folder. So if you click the folder means a new folder will be created in the desktop. So with the default name, new folder. So if you need to give the name in the folder means, so if you type the name and press the enter key, the folder name will be changed. Understand? So this is the picture. So the screen we are calling as which is screen? Desktop. So in this desktop we need to right click. Okay. So if you right click means this option will appear, new. Okay. Is it visible for you? If you right click in the desktop means, so this pop-up menu will be appear. From here you need to select which one? New. Okay. From the new you need to select folder. Understand? So each and everything I will display it with the images. So you will never forget. Listen carefully. So in the desktop you need to right click. So first if you right click means what option will be there? This pop-up menu will open. From the pop-up menu you need to select new. From the new you need to select folder. Okay. So if you select folder means like this one yellow color new folder will be there. So default what's the name of the folder? New folder. So you need to type name means this place you need to type the name and press enter. Then that name will be displayed as your folder name. Understand? Next thing is creating files. Okay. So for in creating files, they have given example for Wattpad or Word file. Okay. So you are going to open one application called which one? Word file or Wattpad. Okay. So what's the use of this Wattpad or word processor? So what's the use of this word file? You can able to type the text here or documents or questions or anything. You can able to type the text in the documents. Okay. So, so how you are going to open this word file? Already I said, isn't it? From where you need to open the application. Likewise, so from where you need to open this word file. Okay. So same method only. From where you need to open. So if you need to open any application means where you need to click first, click the start button. Isn't it? First you need to click the start button. Then which one you need to click? Start button. After you need to select all programs. Okay. So till now only you have studied. Isn't it? Then From all programs, you need to click what? Accessories. Understand? First you need to click start button. From the start button you need to select all programs. From the all programs you need to select which one? Accessories. Okay. So inside the accessories, this application WordPad will be there. Then you need to click the Word file. The particular Word file will open. Understand? So what's the first step to open this Word file? What's the first step? Click the start menu. From the start menu you need to select all programs. From the all programs you need to select accessories. From accessories you need to select WordPad. Then if you click this WordPad means this Word file will open. This is a fresh page. Okay. Fresh page or new page file will open. Understand? This is the two methods you have studied to open an application. This is the first method. What's the second method? Easily you can find the particular application you need to type where? In run command. Isn't it? So in run, that run dialog box, remember that one. Run dialog box, you need to type the name of the application. What's the name of application? WordPad. So you need to type WordPad in the which command? Run command. Then you need to click OK. So this page will open. Okay. So two ways you have studied to open Word file. What are the? So this is all very very important because in your lab programs you are going to type the file and you can able to paste it here. So please listen carefully. During lab programs I will ask okay about this Word file. Okay. So from where you need to open? First you need to click the start button. From the start button you need to select all programs, then accessories, then WordPad. Okay, this is the first method. What is the second method? To click the run command. From the run command you need to type the name of the application. What's the name of the application? WordPad. Then click OK. This fresh page will open. Understand? Then next you are going to type the contents in the Word file. Okay. Next you are going to type the contents in the Word file. Okay. So you are going to type any text in the Word file. Okay. So the white color area we are calling as an work area or workspace. Okay. So after typing all the things, you are going to save the file. Okay. Why you are going to save the file? So you have typed a lot of, for example, you have typed 10 lines, 10 line paragraph. So without saving means next time you can't able to open the particular thing. Again you need to type the same 10 line. But if you are saving that whatever you are typing, if you save means what are the times, how many times you need to open according to your wish, you can able to open the particular saved file. Okay. So for that purpose you are going to save the file. Okay. So to save the file, where you need to click the file menu. From the file menu you need to choose which one? Save option. Okay. To save the file, where you need to click file menu. From the file menu you need to click save option. So this is a shortcut for save. Okay. Control yes. Okay. So what's the shortcut for saving the file? Control yes. This is a very basic thing. Shortcut for saving. Control yes. Okay. So if you click that control yes, one dialog box will open. That is save as dialog box. Okay. Save as dialog box will open. So in that dialog box you need to select where you need to save the file. Okay. Then you need to type the file name in the text box. Then click save button. Okay. That I will explain with the Word file. Then only you will get understand. Okay. So listen. So from where you need to open the Word file. So this is Windows 8 somewhat different. Start button. Then all programs, accessories, then WordPad. Okay. So is it visible for you? Yes, this is the Word file. So from where you need to type start, all programs, accessories, WordPad, or run command you need to type WordPad. This is the Word file. Okay. So after opening the Word file, so what's the use of this Word file? To type a text or anything. For example, I am typing text. So I am typing one word called computer. Okay. So what's the next step you have studied? This is this white color area, the page, the paper like white color paper like structure is there. No, this area we are calling as an what? Work area or workspace. So after you are typing, you need to save the file. Okay, to save the file, I said where you need to click file. Is it visible for you? File. Okay, where you need to click file, then save. Understand? So where you need to click file, once again I am telling, listen. So after completion of typing or after completion of your work, to save the file, where you need to click file, save. So if you click the save button, means this save as. Have you seen it, save as? So this box will open. So in that place, is it visible for you? File name. In the name of file name, you need to give any one name. For example, I am giving A. Any one name you give. Okay. According to your wish, you need to give any one name. Then you need to click the save. Understand? So one more thing, listen. So next, you need to select the location. Okay. So location means where you need to save the file. Then only next time if you are coming and opening the particular file means you will easy to find out. So for example, listen. So this is the drive icon. Have you seen it? Computer, how many drives are there? D, E and F. For example, I am clicking E drive. So the location. This is called as location. So what are things you are opening that you can see at the top. Okay, where I have selected, this is location. In computer, which drive? Local disk E. So now I am going to save this file in where? E drive. Understand? E drive. So where I need to give the file name of the file I am giving in file name. Okay, then you need to click save. Okay, now I am going to close. To close, which one button you need to click? That red color button, closing the file. Okay, so next time I am going to open the particular file, means where I need to open thing and say, click where? My computer. Isn't it? My computer. Then which drive I got saved? D drive. Isn't it? So sorry, where I have saved? E drive, I think it's, isn't it? So E drive. So E drive. So if you see, this file will be there. Have you seen it? A. Is it visible for you, this word file? So next time if you are open, means simply in E drive I can able to open. Double click the file, means particular file will open. Understand? That's the use of saving the file. Okay. So so up to this today's portion enough. So what are the things you have studied today? So how you are going to create a folder. So this is the desktop. How you need to, if for example you are going to create a new folder in desktop. What are steps you need to follow? First you need to right click. Okay. So right click. Which option you need to select? New. Isn't it? What's the first thing? Right click, new. Then select which option? Folder. Okay. So if you right click select this new option folder, means like this one folder will appear with the name what? New folder. Okay. Then now you need to give name for this folder. You can able to give according to your wish. You can, for example, I am giving A. Okay. So this folder, for example, I am going to open. For to open the folder, what you need to do? Double click it. Okay. Double click. So see, listen. So what folder I have created? A. This is the A folder. Inside this, so you can able to save the file. Okay. So today you have studied what are things, how you are opening the Word file, how you can opening of Word file, then closing of that application, then creation of folder. This and all very, very important things, student. So all the things, don't skip anything. So please study and read the textbooks very, very carefully. From here they will ask one more question as well as two more questions. This and all basic things. Okay. So next class we can continue next thing. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you.